The house was intended to be a contemporary barn with industrial accents, yet another modern barn. Such a solution could correspond with the originally rural landscape of Silesia. But we proposed a type of architecture directly referencing the industrial, more characteristic, contemporary heritage of the region. The one-story, elongated body of the building, covered with a double shed roof, referring to the factory buildings of which there are many in Silesia, with a red brick façade, created a contemporary sculpture with unambiguous connotations. The horizontal house structure is located in line with the surrounding development, along the access road, on a narrow plot in an east-west layout. The composition of the building is comprised of two parts. The dominant residential part with a single space, high-ceilinged living room, dining room, and entresol as well as bedrooms overhanging the existing terrain. The second, smaller part houses the garage, utility room, and also kitchen, connected to the large, covered terrace and outdoor living room with a kitchen. The external terrace, located on the southwest side, makes a gap in the building structure created by pushing the glazing deep from the surface of the façade. Here's a look at the plan. Red brick, black panels concealing the garage door, and black aluminum windows correspond with the interior finishing elements and equipment, all maintained in the same character. Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.